What's up? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm working this old crusty mower. Got some rust back here and how to weld it on. Then, cable side let go on me. But I got a new one. These tools I'm gonna be hopefully using. About to set this up, take this off here, and luckily a new one. Slide right on. Welcome to the channel. Get my big oven mitts in the picture. Well, I got sandals on, so I put my feet in the picture. When you can't find the right socket tool, you use a crush wrench. Whatever else you can find. This came off a parts mower a year or two ago because the other one, original one, broke. And here it goes again. And I got that online. I think it was up to $7. This part was easy enough. Kind of pausing as I go because computer software wasn't bad. Or you got to download something new as always. It's hard to see, but got to squeeze this to get this off. I'll get off here just to show you. Dude, I can't see what you're doing. Your arm's in the picture. And that's what the end looks like. Been ripping down. These little things here you got to squeeze when you get them off. Try to do this, I'll get my head in the picture because it'll cause eclipse. There goes the other end. And since this is not supposed to come off, since this is new, hard to stretch it out a bit. Got the cat get in the background. That's all there is to it. Now I'm going to get this fired up quick enough it does. Now here comes the motor running if it's going to start. I'll probably go out of the frame with the picture, or video. Persuasion. Got to pump her a few more times. And that's how you change the cable. Thank y'all for watching.